Hello, this is a short video demonstrating how to set up the different options on the Covey Roleplay doors that form part of the Covey Roleplay control system set. There is a separate video covering setting up movement, and there'll be a separate one for the roleplay options. To access the main menu, we do a long click, which is click and hold for more than 2 seconds with the mouse button. And now we're going to look at the options menu. We'll start with the operation method. We can choose to operate by click, collisions, or both. If it is on click, the only way to operate the door is by clicking it. So if I walk into it, nothing happens. But if I click it, the door will open. This is currently set to only rotate through 45 degrees, but that can be changed as shown in the movement menu. So if I go back to options, operation method, change this to collisions. If I now walk into the door, it will open. If I walk out of range, it will close. Clicking it does absolutely nothing. But if I come back into options and choose operation method both, now if I click it, it will work like that. But also if I walk into it, it can be operated by either method. So that's the options operation method. Now we can also set a max range. This controls two things. The first is how far away you're allowed to touch from, but it also controls how far away you can move before the door will close. If you're talking about role play options, this will also dictate how far away somebody can move before, for example, breaking the door or repairing the door fails. So I can choose max range. If I enter 10, submit. Now I'm going to open the door, step back, and you can see we've got to come the full 10 meters before that closes. If I come back up to the options, set the max range, change that to say something really close like 2. I'm too far away even here. If I come close enough, I can do it, and it will close as soon as I leave that 2 meter range. And you can see there was a message telling me that I was too far away to operate this item. So I'm going to come back to the options menu now. The close time dictates how long it will wait before it closes. By default, this is set to 0, and that means as soon as the avatar leaves range, it will close straight away. But if I set that to 5, I'm going to have to get really close now to open the door. That's it. It just sets a slight wait. Okay, so we can also in here set the server it connects to. The server by my feet is set to 10, so I'm just going to set this to 10. So that's covered everything under the roleplay options. There will be another video that covers the roleplay options menu, and there is another one that covers the movement menu. Thank you for watching.